Eats and Treats. I'm Delicia and today we're going to make something super refreshing. Apple juice! Let's get started. Here are the ingredients and equipment we need. A variety of fresh apples. Today I'm using Honeycrisp apples and a juicer. I'll link the one in the description. A knife, cutting board, and erythritol. So now we need to wash our apples thoroughly to remove any dirt or wax. Here I have a veggie wash that I use to wash all my fruit and vegetables. So now you're going to get your empty bowl. You're going to put just a little bit of your veggie wash or your soap at the bottom of the bowl. And then you're going to dilute the veggie wash with more water, and you're going to put it halfway so when you put your apples in, it does not overflow. So here I use 6 apples. And you're just going to let them sit in there for like 30 seconds so they can get all the wax and dirt off. And then after, we're going to wipe them off and we're going to wash them and then make sure you dry them. Okay, so now they have soaked for about 30 seconds. And you're just going to take a little bit over like this, each one. Now you are going to pour out your veggie wash and water, and you're going to rinse them off one by one to get all the soap off. Next, let's cut the apples into slices. No need to peel them, the skin has lots of nutrients. Just make sure to remove the seeds as they can be harmful in large amounts. Now we can start juicing our apples. Feed the apple slices into the juicer slowly, allowing the machine to extract all the juice. You will also need a cup of water to help the juicer juice all the apples. One of the best things about making your own apple juice is that you get all the benefits of fresh raw juice without any added preservatives, plus it tastes so much better than store-bought. Now all my apple juice is done. We're going to add a little bit of our erythritol. We're going to give it a quick little stir. This is so refreshing. Fresh apple juice is not only delicious, but it's also packed with vitamins and antioxidants, perfect for a quick boost of energy or a tasty treat at any time of the day. Thank you so much for joining me today on Earthy Eats. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on a great video.